Hey everybody, what's going on? I'm not sure that, well, this is my rooster build still going on. I'm not sure if this should be a part 3.5 or actually a point 4, but Armattan has a piece for the rooster. They call it a bolt saver, and I think it's more of an arm saver. What it is, and I'll show it to you in a minute. It's a small carbon fiber square that fits in here, and then another one fits here in the front. And what it does is it will keep the arms from bending, especially in a crash. They say that the new bolts, the 12.9 bolts, will pretty much solve that, and I think they said 99.8% of the people will be fine, but of course I am probably going to be part of the 0.2%. So, and they do offer it for free with $5 shipping. I don't know why they just don't include it, in the newer frames now. At least like the newer shipments and stuff. But as you can see, and it's kind of funny, I already opened it just to check out what's inside, but you can see it's from, right from Taiwan. And the scary part is that, well, first of all, here's the part. And of course you get a slap. So that's pretty cool. But the thing that scares me is they actually send me candy. And no offense, but I'm not sure I'm going to be eating candy coming from China at this point. So I think we will just kind of put this back in here and just kind of tuck it away. So anyway, so this is the pieces. Like I said, one for the front, one for the back. And they actually say that it's more of a rectangle than a square. So there's actually one side that's longer than the other. And it kind of does look that way. I don't know if we can compare. I mean, they kind of, if you go, I guess, I don't know. I mean, they kind of both, well, I don't know. I mean, I guess you could always, I don't know if I can reach my ruler here, and let's actually see if we can do this. So let's just do the outside. So what is that anyway? I can't even tell. That is probably about 19 millimeters. And then if I go this way, oh yeah, down 17. So I guess the 19 is the longer way. So what they say to do is, and now I just lost which way was the longest way. Alright, so it's going to go. So what we're going to do is, let's put this one aside. And I'm actually going to, and we can do this with the ESCs and the motor soldered up. So what we'll do is we will take that out. We will take this. Yep, see, and there goes my arm. So I just gotta be careful here. It shouldn't really go anywhere, but. And they actually, on their website, they got a video on Armattan's website. They got a video that shows you how to do this. And what they did was they did one arm. So yeah, I gotta take the plate off though. So let's just do that then. Hope you guys are doing well. Things are getting a little relaxed, but just still be careful. It's still kind of bad out there, but as long as we do it right, we'll be fine. Alright, so I'm going to keep these screws in. I'm going to keep this loose. Okay, don't know why these really won't go back in. Tolerance must be really bad. So let's just get these in, so these screws don't fall out. And this one's just hanging around. So what they say to do is, they say to line this up, and you can see fits in pretty well, so it's right in there. And then, well, actually what I'll do is first I'm going to I just lost this arm, darn it. Alright, let's get that back in there. There we go. So what they actually say to do is they actually say to put one screw in. So that's what I'm going to do. I got one screw in. And I lost my thing again. Come on. There we go. So we're going to put this in. And then what they say to do is put one bolt in and see how it kind of curls around there. And then just kind of... I can't do it. Why can't I do it? You get the point. I don't know why it's getting crooked like that, but... And of course, you know, they always make it look easier on the video, so maybe if I just go a little bit lower and then it brings it back up for me. There we go, I think. Not sure if I can get that screw in there. See, it doesn't really go that... Unless I got to do the short side. What if I do the short side? Alright, let's get this out. No, definitely not the short side. Let's try it one more time. Let's spin it this way. They sure don't make it easy, that's for sure. So let me see if I can go a little lower. See how it brings it up like that? I don't get it. Yeah, that might work. I can get this stinker up here. See if I can help it out a little bit. No, I guess I can't. Come on, you stinker. I think I got it. See if I can kind of help it along there. Well, it's pretty rock solid, I think. I mean, even without the bolts, this thing is not going anywhere. But now let's get this back on, because that screw wasn't really turning that well. So come on. Yeah, this one's kind of tough to turn because of thing. Oh, there we go. Oh, it just got a lot easier. Alright, we'll put this one in. And why is this not turning? What is going on? Tell me I gotta loosen these up. Could be off a little bit. Wow, this is weird. Kind of makes this plate go off a little bit. So maybe I'll try opposites and see what that does. Nah, this ain't working. I don't know what's going on.
Many months later.
Alright, well, I'm back. I was really fighting with getting these things, this thing on, so I seem to hopefully finally got it on. I haven't tightened it up yet, but boy, I'll tell you, they make it look way easier than it is. Unless I'm just a total idiot, I don't know. So it's going on now, but it wasn't easy. Don't want to do it too tight. Don't want to strip it, but and there you go. So you can see it in there, and I'll tell you, it's like it's a one piece now. It's unbelievable. So now let's try the front, and let's measure this again so we know that we're going the right way. That looks like the 19 way, so let's flip this way. Now I have the front end off because I had to throw a camera on it. I have a Runcam Nano on it, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it on there, but it's yeah, it looks alright. I know the side cage here is going to be in the way, but if I have a GoPro it doesn't matter, so we'll see. So we're going to try this. I'm not sure how good this is going to work out, but if it's anything like the first one, then yep, I don't know. So come on. There goes the arm. That's alright. And I'm gonna need some help with the front. Alright, oops, where my screw? I forgot to put that in. Yeah, let's see if I can. This one's going to be a little tough because it's moving around because of the front cage. Ah, you stinker. So let's see if I can put it flat. How about that? Let's not pinch the motor wires. That would be bad. So that looks alright. So let's see if move this stuff out of the way. Let's see if we can get you in there. Yeah, see, why does that look off like that? I don't get that. But maybe. Where's my other screw? There it is. I need some help getting that through. And I'm gonna need probably some help with the other one here. So here's the other one. Hopefully that will, oh, looks good. Wow, look at that. But of course I'll have to pull these when I put the cage on, but we could do that. So let's get this under here. Again, watching to not pinch the motor wires, that would be bad. What's going on? Yeah, looks like that's going in. Wow, I'm gonna have better luck on this one than I am on the other one. Yeah, look at that. Yep. Oh, did I pinch a motor wire? Yeah. Darn it. Yeah, of course. Why would I not, right? And how is it? It's squished, but it's good. You can see that in there. Oh, boy. How's the other side? No, the other side's good. So let's make sure I'm not an idiot this time. Yeah, look at that, with 2 screws. This thing ain't going anywhere. So I might as well put the cage on. I'll have to pull these out. Alright. Alright, get in there, will you? Unless I have to, well, Get this flight controller off here. I'm not sure why that's even on there. Loosen this a little bit. Not sure why this is not going in. Could it be because the arms are pulled out a little? Maybe. Because you can see the holes aren't quite lined up. That's a problem. Oh, there we go. Yeah, maybe that's all I had to... Ah, there we go. There we go. Look at that. As my mother-in-law says, now we're cooking with gas. Get this thing together sooner or later. Hey, did I pinch the motor wire? Nope. Wonder why that's a little off. Oh, could it be because of this? Let's loosen this up. I don't know. I guess we're tightened up. Yeah, look at that. Looks alright. Looks alright. Yeah, you know what? I'll tighten that up later. But yeah, so that's it. That's the what they call the bolt saver. But I think it's an arm saver because it's going to save your arm in a crash. So now I can wrap these things up, get them nice and neat, and continue with this thing. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching if you got to the end, and stay safe. Hope you get out and fly and have some fun. So take care, and we'll see you next time.